How does lowering your car change handling? Have you ever wondered why so many enthusiasts lower their car? Sure, it gives a more aggressive stance and reduces wheel gap, but lowering your suspension isn't just about looks. One of the biggest reasons enthusiasts modify their suspension is to improve handling. But how exactly does lowering a car change the way it drives? Today we're breaking down the science behind lowering your vehicle, how it affects handling, and some important trade-offs you should know before making the change. Let's get started. When we talk about lowering a car, we're simply referring to reducing the ride height. This is typically done using lowering springs, coilover suspension systems, adjustable air suspension, performance shock, and spring packages. By bringing the body closer to the ground, you're changing much more than the appearance. You're changing the vehicle's center of gravity, suspension geometry, and weight transfer characteristics, and overall driving dynamics. One of the primary benefits to lowering a vehicle is reducing the center of gravity. Think of the center of gravity as the point where the vehicle's weight is concentrated. The higher that weight sits, the more leverage it has to move around during acceleration, braking, and cornering. When you lower the car, that moves the weight closer to the ground. Lowering a car results in less body roll in corners, less nosedive during braking, less squat during acceleration. The vehicle feels more planted and predictable because the weight isn't shifting around dramatically. This is one of the main reasons sports cars and race cars sit lower than SUVs or trucks. Let's talk more about body roll. When you turn into a corner, weight shifts to the outside tires, causing the suspension to compress and the body to lean. This is body roll. Lowering the vehicle reduces that leverage, keeping the chassis flatter and making steering feel more responsive. The result is sharper turn-in response, better cornering confidence, and improved driver feedback. Another benefit many people overlook is aerodynamics. When a car sits lower, there's less air flowing underneath it. Reducing airflow under the vehicle can help decrease aerodynamic lift. At higher speeds, that can make the car feel more stable and planted. On most street cars, the difference is small, but at highway or track speeds, every bit of stability helps. Lowering also helps control weight transfer, keeping the car flatter during acceleration, braking, and cornering. That allows the tires to maintain more consistent contact with the road, which is where grip comes from. But can lowering actually make handling worse? Surprisingly, yes. As you lower a car, you're reducing the amount of suspension travel available. That means there's less room for suspension to absorb bumps and road imperfections. If the suspension bottoms out, ride quality suffers and handling can actually get worse. This is why simply cutting springs is never recommended. Proper lowering springs and coilover systems are engineered to maintain suspension performance while reducing ride height. Modern suspension systems are designed to operate within specific ranges. When ride height changes significantly, suspension geometry changes as well. This can affect camber, toe, roll center, and bump steer characteristics. Without correcting these changes, a car may experience uneven tire wear or handling issues. That's why an alignment should always be performed after lowering a vehicle. In some cases, additional suspension components may be needed to properly correct geometry. Lowering your vehicle also means reducing your ground clearance, which can create challenges with speed bumps, driveway entrances, parking blocks, and road debris. For most enthusiasts, a moderate drop between 1 and 2 inches is often the sweet spot. This usually provides improved appearance, better cornering performance, reduced body roll, and minimum compromises in drivability. So how does lowering your car change handling? Lowering your car can make it feel more stable, more responsive, and more confident through the corners by lowering its center of gravity and reducing body roll. But as we've seen, lower doesn't always mean better. The best results come from a suspension package that's designed to work together, including the springs, shocks, alignment, and ride height. When done correctly, lowering can make your car look better, handle better, and give you more confidence behind the wheel. What suspension upgrades have made the biggest difference on your vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more of our suspension and handling guides. We'll see you in the next one.